Hey and welcome to Alpha 1 this morning. We are now going to run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that you also can have completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now and you can download this robot and get started today. Also, as you can see, we are having a competition where you can get $50 for free from me. The only thing you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, see the video from start to finish, and also make a comment below the video with your Bitcoin address or USDT address. This competition will go till next Friday. Then also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it. $238 profit and a win rate of 58%. We did 12 trades. So if you want to use this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, this robot thing, and you can download this robot today, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.